progressive. What is present continuous? Present continuous means ongoing actions at this moment or at present. So structure of the present continuous: subject plus am, is, or, V1 plus ing plus extra words. So these am, is, or are the B forms are helping verbs. These am, is, or B forms are helping verbs. These helping words we use for making questions. We use the verb base form only. For example, what are that base forms? V1 forms: help, write, drink, drive, like that. Some base forms are there we use. And for example, help plus ing, helpings, like that ing form we use in a present continuous. So to identify the present continuous, some keywords are there. See some keywords: now, continually, prospectively, at this moment, at the moment, right now, this year, this season, this month, and this week. So these are some keywords to identify present continuous. See some examples of a present continuous action that is going on now. So examples: the dancers. The dancers are giving a wonderful performance. Wonderful performance. Next, she is giving a marvelous speech. Marvelous speech. He is writing his homework. So see these examples. So at present, what are the actions are going now? So how to explain, how to describe? The dancers are giving, here verb plus ing form we use it. The dancers are giving a wonderful performance. So at going, then action is going. So next is she is giving a marvelous speech. Now she is giving a speech. How is that the speech means? She is giving a marvelous speech. Next, what he is doing? He is writing his homework. So these are the actions that is going on now. Some actions are not going on now also we can use in a present continuous. So what your son is doing means at present not going also we can explain in a present continuous. What your son is doing? He is studying in 10th class. This action is not going on now. Then also we can tell in a present continuous. What Zakir Hussain is doing, like that. What Hussain is doing. So he is not writing at present, but we can tell in a present continuous. He is writing his autobiography. So, though not going on now also, we can tell in a present continuous. What he is doing means he is studying in the 10th class. At present not going, but also we can tell in a present continuous in this sentence. And what Hussain is doing, naturally, commonly what he is doing means he is writing is a autobiography, means his own biography is a writing. So third one is some obstinate habits. Obstinate habits means some bad habits that spoils the people's life. They won't leave that bad habits throughout the life. For example, he is not listening to parents. He is not listening to parents means his life is going to spoil. He is not listening to his parents. Next, he is always smoking. He is always smoking. He is always smoking. She is spoiling the things. Spoiling the things. To tell about the obstinate habits, bad habits that are happening throughout the life that they won't leave their bad habits. So in that way also we can use the present continuous. He is not listening to his parents. So this action is not going at present, but also we can use in present continuous. So he is always smoking. He is always smoking. Means he is not leaving that bad habit. So she is spoiling the things. To describe the obstinate habits also we can use in a present continuous. So next be going means our planned activities near future. Instead of using will, we can use in a present continuous also. For example, when are you going to conduct exams? So this is our future plan. Be going on means we are going to plan that activities. So when are you going to conduct exams? We are going to conduct exams next month. We are going to conduct the exams next month. So our future planned activities. Be going is planned activities. So instead of using will, when will you going to conduct exams? Instead of using that, we can use in the present progressive. When are you going to conduct exams? We are going to conduct exams